Services is everything related to technical support at the customer's site. This includes, for instance, maintenance services, repairs, and acceptance tests. Our services take over when remote support via email or telephone reaches its limit. Services takes over as soon as parts or technicians go to the customer. Globally, services are responsible for providing spare parts and for training our partners' service technicians so that we have the same global quality standard. We have many queries on acceptance tests according to VDI 2634, i.e. standardized accuracy acceptance tests for measuring volumes. But we also see more queries on acceptance tests for the entire measuring area according to ISO 10360 and about preventive maintenance to minimize the system's failure risk. In addition, we will offer our customers different contract models with additional services and the most rapid response times.